Hello and welcome to an educational training course on coronavirus prevention and precautionary measures. As you are well aware, a novel strain of coronavirus has focused the attention of the entire world, as it is both contagious and in some cases deadly. As this situation is rapidly shifting on a daily basis, make sure you are familiar with our policies and procedures regarding work from home, foreign and domestic travel restrictions, and other measures to keep our employees safe. And that's what it's all about, keeping you safe. Please listen, learn, and be proactive in doing your part to be informed and prepared. Understand what you can do to minimize the threat and never lose focus on the bigger picture of your family, this company, and your community. This crisis is changing every day. Although we don't know what the world will be experiencing next week or next month, our goal as a company is to be stronger as a result of this test, and even better prepared when faced with the next crisis. The big difference between seasonal flu that we see every year and the new coronavirus is just that this is a new or novel virus, which means it has never been found in humans before and there is not currently an immunity or vaccine. One of the reasons the WHO and CDC consider confirmed testing so important is that coronavirus, the seasonal flu, and a basic cold all have similar symptoms. It's probably safe to assume that at some point during your life you have contracted a flu or virus and felt some or all of the symptoms. The big difference now is that the symptoms for this coronavirus include a high fever, cough, and shortness of breath, symptoms that are not all usually present with a common cold or flu. So if you or someone you're taking care of in your home feels sick with a fever, cough, or difficulty breathing, if you have been in close contact with a person known to have coronavirus, or if you live in or have recently traveled from an area with an ongoing spread of coronavirus, consider calling your healthcare professional. So don't be embarrassed, don't let pride get in the way, don't think it can't happen to you. It's always better to be safe. Although right now we are faced with a new coronavirus, we should always be vigilant about reducing the spread of contagious germs. Whether it's here at work or in your personal life, the spread of germs from coughs and sneezes can be minimized if you utilize some simple preventative measures. One of the best defenses against any type of virus is regular hand washing and the use of hand sanitizers. Be diligent about not touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with your hands. Wash and sanitize common use surfaces such as phones, doorknobs, and keyboards. If you begin to cough or sneeze, make sure you do it into your sleeve or disposable tissue rather than onto your hand. If you use tissues, throw them away after you use them so other people won't come into contact with them. One of the reasons many of the events and community groups have been canceled is the need for social distancing. Essentially, social distancing is deliberately creating a distance of at least 6 feet between you and other people in order to reduce the chances of spreading COVID-19. One of the most important things you can do is to stay informed and follow the instructions of public health authorities at all times. Remember that the only reliable confirmation of coronavirus requires a diagnosis from a doctor and a test. If you or someone you have been in contact with has been tested and diagnosed with COVID-19, please immediately inform your manager or human resources. As you have witnessed here at work and in your community, a pandemic is different than just a shortage of resources that is typical of most emergencies. It is a people-based event that will demand a greater level of fortitude to handle and manage correctly. It will challenge your leadership skills as you handle the crisis with your fellow employees and your families. We are here to help. Just let us know how we can best do that for you. We are all in this together. Thank you again for your attention and your participation.